When you follow the QR code or the link on the handout provided, you'll land at this page where our intermediate curriculum can be accessed. At the top, you'll see student access in English and in Spanish. This is perfect for if your student has forgotten their book and would like to be able to do their homework. But the main focus for this video is going to be about these family resources. So we're going to open the family resources for grade 7 in English. When you land here the very first time, you should check out this Information for Families tab. In this, you'll see a description of the curriculum, some supports that are included in the student's book, and some tips for what the student can do to be successful in the course. Included in this section are some questions or prompts you might use when working with your student. After looking at that Information for Families tab, most of the time when you land here, you'll be going to the Units tab. You'll look at the unit your student is currently working on. And in the family materials, you'll start by seeing videos. These videos summarize 2 or 3 lessons at a time. They're excellent for if your student is absent or just needs a refresher on what they've learned during the week. They're also perfect for you or a tutor or someone that's working with your student to keep up on what's happening in class. Below the videos on this page, you'll find a weekly letter that summarizes what your student will be learning during the week. This first week of the unit is about representing proportional relationships in tables, and you'll see and read about a couple different ways students might approach reasoning using tables with proportional relationships. Important vocabulary is bolded. At the end of that letter, you'll have a task you can try with your student. There'll be a couple questions, and the solutions are provided, so you don't need to feel like you have to be an expert. This is just an extra place for practice for your student. If your student tells you they don't have any homework, these are a perfect place to send them to be able to practice what they've recently learned.